Hey, what's up, Bepro network? So I have two good news is for all Bepro network. The one good news is that my brothers to Bepro network as wake up and absolutely the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So this is very good news for all of you, my friend. The second good news is that my brothers to giveaway of Bepro network is coming soon now. So before I get started video, please participate and check out my friend hour by hour, minute by minute. You can see over this time before network last 7 days chart is on the screen. In this chart, as you can see, my brother, this coin is wake up now. So it's mean to this chain occur will be further to now, and if the chain occur will be further to, so it's mean my brothers to upcoming time there is more chances they will give you a profit now. So let's see my brother, but kindly hold it. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, this here is not a big jump available, my friend, on the screen. Other my friend, I already check it now. So let's see my brother. Just in only you need to hold it. If you hold for a short time, and absolutely my friend, they will give you a very good profit now. But just in only you need to my friend, invest for a short time. So my brother, remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, if you have any plan to invest more, then I think my brother, for all of you, research personally enough with that, my friend, invest more. So let's see, holder, please, before network, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.